Hello everyone, today we are going to present a drama on the story Hansel and Gretel.
I am Rosa Mushfi. I am as the character Gretel.
I am Shajat Najif Chaudhary as the character Hansel.
I am Numa Shakhwat as the character stepfather.
So let's get started.
Hansel, I am so scared. Our stepfather said there's no more food and he wants to take us into the forest.
Don't worry, I have a plan. I will leave a trail of stones on the way so we can follow them back home.
Really? That's a good idea. Children, we're going for a walk in the forest. Come with me now.
Don't worry, I'm ready.
We were walking, Hansel dropped some pebbles on the path. We're walking with Hansel dropped some pebbles on the path. This is far enough. Stay here, children. I will be back soon. What are we going to do, Hansel?
Don't worry, I have dropped the trail of stones on the way. Now we can follow them back home.
You're so smart, Hansel. Let's follow the stones. And they started following the stones. After a long walk, they have reached their home. We made it back, Hansel. Your plan worked.
I said not to worry, we are safe now.
You children found your way home. How clever you are.
We won't give up no matter what.
And then we all lived happily ever after.
Thank you.